Good morning, viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking you out to the streets of Laos in Thailand, where you will experience the most important festival in history of Thailand and Laos. This is nothing but the Songkran Festival, which is also called the Water Festival. This festival also is the Laos and Thailand New Year. It's usually celebrated between the 12th to the 17th of April, depending on what city you are in. But usually it's 13 to 15, but they extend it because of the fun of it. So this festival is well known and important in Thailand and Laos because of the water fights, the religious rituals, and family gatherings. So you should understand that at this time, most families come back home, go to the temples, do some rituals to ask for blessings, and then get to the streets and fight water with your friends. This is fun. This is something that tourists all over the world travel to witness, and is compared to the Tomato Festival in Spain, and also like the Holi Festival in India. So the most iconic part of this Songkran Festival is the water fights in the streets. People throw water at each other as a symbol of washing away bad luck and sins, welcoming the new year with a clean slate. So if you're visiting Thailand at this time and you're wondering why are they throwing water on people, why are they fighting with water? So water is a sign of washing away bad luck, so it's a ritual. And it's just a way of welcoming the new year in good faith and bringing all the good things into the new year and washing away the old bad luck from the old year. So this is really amazing, I can tell you. So about the family time, it's also a time for family reunions. A traditional ritual called Rodnam Dam. Rodnam just means like throwing water or splashing water and taking away the bad luck, okay? So there are so many cultural events during this time. The festival includes parades, traditional dances, beauty contests, and the wearing of colorful clothing, okay? So you see, like most of the Songkran shirts or the clothes they wear on Songkran are colorful with flowers and very beautiful. So it's also the hottest part of the year. So people dress lightly with summer clothes. As you can see from the pictures and what we'll be bringing to you in other episodes, you'll see the way the people dress and the way they splash water on each other. It's very fun. So the main cities that you can actually enjoy this festival if you are in Thailand, I will tell you that Chiang Mai is one of the best, Bangkok, Pattaya, and if you are coming across to Laos, you should not miss Vientiane or Vang Vieng or Luang Prabang. These cities are well known of organizing the events, but actually in Vientiane it started right on the 13th and it's going to end on the 16th, while it's ending in Thailand on the 15th already. So this is beautiful. So we are taking you now into the center, or we call it the Songkran village, where it's organized for people to come out and play. It's too early and people are just starting to gather, but we'll bring you in subsequent updates. We'll bring you all the updates, all the festivals and parades and whatever. We'll bring it all to you. So have fun as we take you into this eventful and memorable event. Let's go. let's enjoy. If you are not in Thailand or if you are not in Laos, now you have the opportunity to watch, to see, to experience this beauty. So what are you waiting for? Come on. Get on your telephone, comment, tell us what you think about this colorful and beautiful event. Share your thoughts. Let's take you right into the occasion. As the event will unfold, we are not going to be doing much talking. We'll be just showing the actions so you can enjoy without us disturbing you. Let's go.
เอ้ยเฮ้ยสวัสดีครับมีมีของใส่โทรศัพท์ไหมครับได้ให้ครับโอเคดูโอ้ my godนี่สองเท่าไหร่
99 พันกีบ
90 ปัน
โดด99
กี่อัน
99,000
กี่อัน
อันเดียว
ได้แล้วได้ก็ได้เลย This is the real thing. We're live in Laos.ครับอร่อยไหมครับอร่อยครับ Hello Hello ทำอะไรกัน
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับ This is it people